All right, so I'm gonna start from my part of code. So my task is to deal with the PDF type of data. So we found uh, this calorie tables with multiple activities, exercise, sports, and calories burned in 1 hour with different weight of persons. So my my work is to extract this data from this PDF and merge it with the other type of data. So uh, first I import some uh, useful library for some useful packages. Um, and then I this part of code is to just read the PDF and try to extract those texts from the PDF file. And this part is just basically matching and extracting the data, these data that we want by using regular expressions patterns. And yeah, uh, we're gonna find those matches from the OCR text and then uh, save it into a data frame. And so, mm, so this is the data frames that we create, and as you can see, it successfully extract the data as we want from this PDF. Um,
So I'm responsible for the CSV part of our data set. We found this Kaggle CSV data set, which includes the overall calorie spend for people over 1 hour. Like you can here see that we have different kinds of sports activities, and here is the average calories that people spend during well according to their weight. And then as required, we used API to scrape the data. So here we went to setting. And then this is where we create our API. And then once we downloaded the API, we would put it in the .kaggle file that was on the local file. And then in PyCharm, here's the CSV part. First we import Kaggle, and then for convenience, we use data frame. So we also import pandas. And then this is the dataset that we're downloading, which is here. This is the website. And then as we download it, it will become a zip. This is the zip. And then we kaggle.api and then we unzip it. It would become the exercise dataset CSV. And then it would look like this. So and then we would use it to output the data frame, which will be possibly look like this. This is the look of the first 10 lines of the CSV part. So yeah, this is what we have for the CSV part of our data set.
We chose sports as our subdomain in the end, and we have 3 data sources here. I took charge of the HTML one, which is this page. Calories burned in 30 minutes for people of 3 different weights. And there are a couple of tables here. There are 4 tables actually, and in the first row of the first table, there are the headers I need. So this is my script. I first imported all those libraries and I use request get to get the content of this website. And I defined all data frame here to save all my data. And I also have an if clause. If I successfully connect and get a response back, I proceed. Otherwise, I print out a message saying that the web page retrieval failed, which is here, failed to retrieve the web page. And then I use Beautiful Soup to the Beautiful Soup, this library, it helps with web scraping, and it lets me shift through the HTML content of the page and find the data I'm looking for. And in this case, I used find all to find all the tables, all the 4 tables. And I saved my headers here. The first row of the first table. And the headers have this tag, the h4 tag. So I'm looking for this specific tag here when I'm looking for headers. As you can see, this is the tag, this is the h4 tag. And in other rows, there's no any h4 tag. So I'm using this specific tag to look for header. And then I looked through all the tables on the page. I skipped the first row since there are headers. And for other rows, if there's any cells that's empty, I skip them too. And yeah, this is the empty case because I find out there are many rows with missing values like this and this. And each complete row gets added to my data list. Once I've gone through all the tables, I put all the data into this data frame called all data, which is a kind of data table that Python understands. I can work with really easily. And finally, I print the data frame out to see if I get the data correctly. And this is the results. And it seems correct. So this is for my part.
And finally, we have finally we gather all these data from HTML, PDF, and some Kaggle CSV data. So this part of the code is just merging 3 data frames, and the data frames from PDF, the data frame from HTMLs, and also the data frames that Kaggle's in CSV files format. And I do a little bit data manipulations. So it's basically just sorting the orders of columns names by ascending orders from ascending orders of the weight of people. So the CSV files, the CSV tables will look like the pounds, the weight of people is starting from the last to bigger and bigger and bigger. So thank you.